What's cracking, everybody? So I hope you guys enjoyed that last video at Dar Ahlam and Skora. And today we are on our way back up to the Atlas Mountains. But first, we're stopping at a very famous place here, which I will show you more of. And this place is the popular set of many movies. Some of the more memorable ones, Gladiator, and more recently, everyone's favorite, Game of Thrones. So Icy and I are very excited to go see the Denarius Gate, as we're calling it. So let's check it out. So right over there is where Gladiator was filmed.
Right there.
And right there is the Denarius Gate. So we're here at the top now. You can see the valley below. So apparently everyone who used to live here moved across the river to the other side because there's no power or water here. So now it's mostly used as shops, guest houses, and as you can see, for tourist enjoyment. So hopefully now we're gonna go see the Denarius Gate. All right, and here we are, friends. We are standing in the exact spot as Denarius. We are breathing Denarius's air. I can feel the power of the dragons. Charot. So, this is the Denarius Gate here. Very cool. No big deal, just crossing a river with thousands of dollars of equipment. Typical day. So we made it across the Atlas Mountains, which you can see there. So it's a fun journey. Being that I lived in Colorado for a couple years, it feels a lot like driving around in the mountains there. But yeah, now we're on our way to somewhere very special, which I would tell you about, but I can't remember the name. So I'll check in with you later.
One eternity later.
Whew, 6 hours later, and we just arrived in Kasbah Tamadot, which is Richard Branson's place about an hour and a half outside of Marrakesh in the foothills of the Atlas Mountains. We're greeted in our room with these fun little hats, and let's do a room tour, shall we? So here we have the main reception area. Got a little desk. And moving right along, let's check out this bathroom. Now, a bathroom's a bathroom, but one thing we want to point out, the clawfoot tub. That is quite a nice luxury. And very nice shower here. Separate toilet room. Let's see what else we have in here, shall we? So, we go down a level and we have the bedroom here. Got some nice fruits. And we were told that this nice rubber ducky here is free, as well as these nice house shoes, free. And you know, we're such peasants, we really love free stuff. And then another unique aspect of this room, we're gonna go outside to the private balcony. So you can see here we have some nice chase lounges, a couple chairs here, but most important,
the view.
The view. So you can see the snow-capped Atlas Mountains up there, which we just drove through, as well as the courtyard. So guys, that's a little bit of Kasbah Tamadot. We're gonna be here for 3 nights.
Tamadot.
Tamadot. Excuse me. However you say it, Richard Branson's hotel. Leave me alone. Same. So we're gonna be here 3 nights with a couple excursions possibly. So we'll show you some more of this general area outside of Marrakesh. Ooh, I just noticed, got a nice flock of sheep there. The surprises keep coming, folks. They keep coming. All right, signing off for now. Check in with you later. All right, so Filipinos are so legendary all over the world that they have a snack named after them here in Morocco. So we're going to taste some delicious Filipinos. Pinoy lami. Pinoy masarap. All right, live taste test here. Buddha, Filipino?
No, thank you.
Hakeem, you want to try Filipino?
Filipino, yes.
All right. Dad, Filipino? Barb, Filipino?
Sure, I'll take it. What's the other side?
Filipinos. It's like a little donut.
It's a cookie.
Mmm,
Not a donut, is it?
that's good. It's like a little dark chocolate donut-shaped cookie. So, gamay bastos, diba? But now I can say I've tasted a lami
Now I'd like to
Pinoy.
hear why they're outlawed.
And you can wash it down with the delicious Power Horse. Because anybody can drink Red Bull, but Power Horse is where it's at.
What's cracking, everybody?
Alright guys, welcome back. So it is the next morning now, and we are starting the day with a nice hike outside of Kasbah Tamadot. And we're in a national park now, which is just a few hundred meters from the property, so that's quite nice. And we are here with our awesome guide, Mohammed. And he's gonna take us for a bit of a trek and check out the views here in the Atlas Mountains. So we're just taking a little break here at the halfway point. So this national park is beautiful. This trail is a little more challenging than I thought. It's still like a little intermediate trail, but it's nice getting a workout in. And you can see the beautiful valley here. So yeah, this is a nice national park. And then Mohammed has kindly invited us for tea at his house up at the top. So we're gonna go do that next. So you can see they have fossils here, just like we saw before, out near the desert. So it's really hard to imagine that all of this was once underwater hundreds of millions of years ago, but very cool indeed. So Mohammed just pointed out, right over there, there's a ski hill. Yes, skiing in Morocco. You heard that correctly. So guys, they have some thyme up here. Not thyme like horas, but thyme like the spice that grows up here in the mountains. And I was trying to explain it to Icy, because obviously in the Philippines, they don't use rosemary, thyme, or any of the various spices you can find here in Morocco. So it's quite interesting to see her reaction to these things that I commonly use in the United States. So guys, this would be a waterfall right here, but it was a very dry year, so there's no water. But just imagine, ang ganda waterfall doon. Talagang Filipino, yeah. All right guys, so we're just making our final descent here into Mohammed's village. We're greeted by some lovely sheep there. So we're gonna go check out his village here, enjoy some tea, take a little rest, and then start our way back to Kasbah Tamadot. So guys, that's the school right there. I guess they have 3 classes in that school. So I made some friends over here. They're following us.
Bonjour.
So to all of my friends in the Philippines, they have some really beautiful cold weather fruits that they grow right here in these villages. Peaches, plums, strawberries, blueberries, all the things that we can sometimes get in Baguio, but they are abundant here, so quite amazing. So guys, we're here in Muhammad's house now, and he was just telling us this rug here made out of old clothes. So you can see the level of detail here. So just goes to show you can make a lot with a little.
Yeah, you can do it a little.
Yeah, a little slower, right? Let's try again.
A little. Yeah.
Oh!
No, not only.
We'll go round 2. Alright guys, so we're just leaving Mohammed's house. I didn't film too much in there just because, you know, you want to respect their privacy and also enjoy the moment. But I got to meet a few of his kids and his wife, and now we are heading back to the road. Guys, I don't know if you can see from my video on this bridge, but it's a hanging bridge. It's just wires, so you have to put 1 foot on each wire and hold the top. So there's not even planks to walk on, so yeah, I've seen some gnarly bridges in the Philippines, but nothing like that. Tulong palagi. Alright guys, nap time is officially over, and now we are here at the beautiful infinity pool, and we are going to take little Luna Bells swimming again. Hopefully this time it's a little warmer than it was at the Dar Ahlam. So let's check it out. We had a very successful swimming experience. Luna loved it. She was very sad to get out. Come on, Daddy will help you. Oi, oi. Oh, magaling, nak. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to day 2 here at Kasbah Tamadot. As you can see here, it is pre-sunrise. It's about 5:30 a.m. and this place is dead asleep. But I found out last night before bed that there is a gym here, so gotta go get it in before the sunrise. Very important to stay fit while traveling. So anytime there's an actual full gym at a hotel, gotta check it out. All right, let's go. Alright, looks like I'm the first one here, bright and early. Good bit of equipment. Ta-da! It is turning out to be a scorcher here today at Kasbah Tamadot. So just got done with a couple hours of editing. If you guys are interested to see the photos I've taken during this trip, check them out at Endless Mike Cebu, Instagram, Facebook. They're a lot better than my vlogging skills. Charlong. Anyways, now we're about to go find our baby because we left her with grandparents. Baby! Alright y'all, we've come to an end here at Kasbah Tamadot. We're checking out tomorrow morning and heading to another very exciting place. So there's at least 2 more episodes here in Morocco before we return to the Philippines. And I'll give you a hint, we're going back to the coast tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. Also, I don't know if I mentioned these yet, but these Moroccan house slippers are the absolute vibe. Love them. Anyways, so guys, if you are ever visiting Marrakesh, it is well worth it to take a trip up to the Atlas Mountains here. It's only about an hour and a half, and if you want to splurge a little bit, visit Kasbah Tamadot. This place is epic, as you have seen. We've really enjoyed it. I'm coming to you right now from the private balcony of the suite here. Food is excellent. The staff are incredibly friendly. So it's just an all-around good, peaceful vibe before heading to the madness of Marrakesh. Alright guys, so thanks for checking it out. And if you're new here, go ahead and click subscribe. Like I said, I'll have a few more episodes here in Morocco and then plenty to come back in the Philippines. Alright guys, check you later.